If you want to use DoorDash with Apple CarPlay, start by making sure you have an iPhone running iOS 16 or later, a vehicle that supports CarPlay, wired or wireless, and the latest version of the DoorDash app installed. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, then select CarPlay. Connect your phone to your car using a USB cable or Bluetooth for wireless CarPlay. Once connected, your CarPlay dashboard should appear automatically. If the DoorDash app doesn't show up on the CarPlay screen, go to Settings, then Siri and search, find DoorDash, and enable Use with Ask Siri and Show when locked. After that, restart your iPhone and reconnect to your vehicle. You can also customize your CarPlay layout by going to Settings, General, CarPlay, selecting your car, and dragging the DoorDash icon to your preferred position. If you're having issues, update both iOS and the DoorDash app. Outdated software often causes compatibility problems. For connection glitches, reset network settings under Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset network settings. If using wireless CarPlay, confirm both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. You can also unpair and repair your iPhone with your car. Restarting the DoorDash app alone fixes most minor issues. If problems continue, check official Apple or DoorDash support for device-specific help.